he is energized simply by looking at Prabhu Shri Ram. And just as the bees extracting the nectar from the flower, his eyes are like those bees, extracting the beauty, the magnificence of Prabhu Shri Ram. So Siddhartha is a spiritual pipe. Ram Shri Ram, Jaya Jaya He says, listen, O gracious Raghuveer. Sarabham is talking to Shri Ram. He says, listen, my beloved Lord. He says, Sankara Manasa Rajam. Sankara Manas means the mind of Lord Shankara, Lord Shiva. He said, my Lord, you are that swan who sports in the lake of Shri Rama's, of Lord Shankara's heart. The swan, the bird swan, it goes into the lake and it feeds, it lives there. And just as the swan lives in the lake and it gets its food and sustenance from there. Saying here, my Lord, you are that swan, that's Lord Shri Ram, is that swan who lives in the heart of Lord Shankara. In the deep within recesses of the mind of Lord Shankara is Lord Shri Ram, and vice versa. In the heart of Shri Ram is Shiva. In the heart of Shiva is Shri Ram. He's saying, Jahat Rahev Viranchi ke Dham, Sunin Savan Van Ayi Rama. Jahat Rahev Viranchi ke Dham. Viranchi refers to Lord Brahma, the creator of the universe. So Viranchi ke Dhama means the home of Brahma. He says, my Lord, I was about to go to Brahma's abode. Because as a Muni, his term had expired on earth. Whatever he had come to do, he did that. He accomplished that. And it was time now to give up his life to go up to Brahma's abode. But he said, Lord, I was about to go there. But Surya Sravan Ban Ahirama. It came to my hearing that you are in the forest and you will come in this way. So what he did was at last, when he heard he's about to go, but then news reaches air that Shri Ram will pass in this way. What did he do? So Siddhartha says, I said, your wife.